Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to remove uninstalled apps from App Store. If you are using an iPhone and now you want to remove your uninstalled apps on your iPhone, so let's see how can you do this. For this you just have to open your App Store app, open it, and here you have to go to your profile in the top right corner of the screen. Just tap on it. Here select apps, just select it. In apps, you'll get all the apps in these are installed or not installed on your phone, and here you will get easily get updates on your phone. But if you want to only not installed app or uninstalled app, you just have to select the second side, and here you will easily get the apps which are uninstalled but not removed. You just have to slide it to left, and here the hide option will be shown. Just select it, and that's how you can easily remove uninstalled apps from your iPhone or Apple account. There is no any way to select all apps. You have to do this manually or separately for one by one, and that's how you can easily remove uninstalled apps from Apple Store. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.